Oh hey, if you're interested in learning how to move heavy objects while paralyzed without any core balance, then continue watching. Welcome to another video. I'm T11. So in order for me to set up my new YouTube studio, I'll be rearranging my room. But before it starts, time to get a shout out to a new subscriber. So today's shout out goes out to Cherish Little. Alright, let's begin. I'm going to unlock the brakes on my bed. To make it slide better, I have something underneath the feet. Whoa. Oh shoot.
Let there be light.
Man, this is why I do not like to wear shirts, because I get pretty hot easily. So leave in the comments below if you're also paralyzed and you get really hot easily, or is it just me? Like I said, this video is all about how to move things without core balance, especially heavy things. So I'm going to be putting this behind the curtain as to block out any lights, because when you aim a camera towards a light, it's just going to like cause like a lens flare. It's kind of hard to reach it, so I'm just going to transfer onto the table and fix it from there. So I had to take a quick break because my back started hurting.
Oh pain, oh agony.
Real quick, something that's been eating at me is when people tell me to stop asking for donations and get a real job. I cannot, because my back is bent and it's very hard for me to sit. And it's easier said than done than most people, because not a lot of people were shot in the spine. So I apologize if I sound a little negative on my videos or on social media. That's kind of how I express myself, is through anger, since I do not like to show my emotions. And if you wait till the end, I'll be telling some of the things that I bought with your guys' help and donations.
That's all I have to say about that.
Good girl. For those that don't know, I use two monitors for when I edit. One's like displays the whole image, the other one's like the timeline and stuff like that. I have like my turtle tank right there. It's dirty right now, but I'm about to clean it. So this is the diffuser that I made. My video was out of focus, so this is the next day. Now my lights up, this is what's going to look like, except for the back, because I'm waiting for some order and I don't want to show you yet because I want to be surprised in my next video. And speaking of surprise, I wouldn't be able to order some stuff without you guys' donations. So I want to give a big thanks to Matthew Ashley, and he sent me $20. And also I want to give big thanks to CaliLife92, and he gave me $30, and he said, love your TikTok, happy holidays bro. If you guys want to help donate so I can improve my setup, that'd be leaving my Cash App link in the description, along with my merch where I also make new designs. If you want to see more quick tips, tricks, then consider subscribing, and as always, stay humble. Till next time, bye.
Yes.